Hi everyone. Welcome back to the tutorials for the Fast Results automated bulletin procedures. Today we're going to talk about how to upload a PDF as a story. This is very useful because almost any information or photos or a combination of the two can be formatted as a PDF and then can be uploaded to the bulletin. So how do we upload a PDF? It's actually pretty simple, and there are 3 steps to the process. The first thing you need to do is to create and name your PDF. And you can name it anything that you want, but the name may not contain any spaces or special characters, such as an exclamation point or an ampersand. And you also need to keep in mind that our program is case sensitive. You need to be aware of capital and lowercase letters. So in getting ready to do this video, I have already created a PDF and have named that PDF sample, capital SAMPLE .PDF. Now that I have my PDF and it's named and I'm ready to go, what do I do with it? The next step in the process is to upload that PDF to the Dropbox transfer folder for your district. In this video, we're going to be using District 11. Go to the D11 transfer Dropbox. The first thing I want to do when I get into the Dropbox transfer folder is locate the subfolder called PDFs, which is right here. We're going to double click on that folder and then look for the inbox folder. Double click on that, and then we navigate to the regional that we're working on. For this example, we're working on the Flying Buckeye Regional. So now I open this folder, and this is where I want the PDF to go. So I go over to the right-hand side, and I click on the link that says Upload Files. Once I do this, I navigate to the PDF that I am uploading, which is right here, Sample PDF. I highlight it and I click Choose. We interrupt this video for an important public service announcement. Please note that you can also drag and drop your PDF from your desktop to the transfer folder. We now return you to the regularly scheduled tutorial. The PDF is now in the proper Dropbox folder and will process momentarily. Now, the third step in uploading a story to the bulletin is to go to the bulletin's memo spreadsheet. Now we just enter data as we have previously seen for hospitality and speakers and life masters. The first thing we want to do is enter the date on which the story should appear. We are going to pick September 12th. We're going to navigate to column C and choose the type of data we want to enter, which in this case is a story. And now we have to decide what we're going to title this story in the bulletin. For this story, we're going to call it All That News. The last piece of entering this data is to go over here to column G. And this is where we enter the name of the PDF, and we have to have it match exactly to what we named it as we entered it in the Dropbox. So my PDF was called capital SAMPLE.PDF. Now we've completed the 3 steps to uploading a story. The first being creating a PDF. The second, uploading that PDF to the Dropbox folder. And third, entering the name of the PDF into the spreadsheet for the date we want it to appear in the bulletin. Last thing we're going to do is to check to see how that appears in the bulletin and make sure it looks the way we want it to. So we're going to click on our preview button as we have learned to do previously, putting our cursor over the link, clicking on the pop-up box. As we remember, this will take a short period of time to process. We click here for the bulletin library. Once it's done processing, we find our regional. We click the date that we're looking for, Thursday. We scroll down, and here's the PDF that we placed into the bulletin. As you can see, it can be multiple pages because there is the scrolling capability in this iframe, the place in which the story is housed inside the electronic bulletin. Our PDF is loaded, it's in our bulletin, it looks good, and we have now done our first story. In case you forget any of this information, you will have been sent an email that will give you the step-by-step instructions on how to load a story. This is what it will look like. The information will also be contained in the Bulletin Procedures Manual. We hope that you found this helpful. If you have any questions, as always, please email me at help@thecommongame.com. We interrupt this video for an important public service announcement. Please note that you can also drag and drop your PDF from your desktop to the transfer folder. We now return you to the regularly scheduled tutorial.